Hey guys, thought I would show you what we are going to be putting in the wagon for the next SMX. So I had already showed you that we were had the block up in the all billet glory and going to be fixing this lifter problem. And let me show you what that means. So what we've done here, let me roll this up a little bit. This lifter board here was machined incorrectly. It was on the wrong angle, and so it actually made the lifter not even make contact in the center of the camshaft. So what we've done here is he machined this for a lifter sleeve insert. And that insert will have a real light press, so it'll be pressed in, and it's going to have a flange, so it'll all be one piece. Think of like a lifter, like a bushing with a flange all on top, all one piece that'll push in there. That straightens out, puts everything back to normal. And if this thing ever gets damaged, you would unbolt it, put a little temperature in it, pull that sleeve out, put a new sleeve in, brand new lifter board. Pretty neat, huh? Thinking about, so that's how we're fixing this block. Now this block is going to be mine. This is the first water block that we've gotten done, and we're going to use this directly for my own personal stuff. Well, how I do personal stuff, I probably will have the latest and greatest, or at least the rendition of, or the next stuff I'm testing. My stuff is the test bed. I don't use my stuff to have the absolute spot on perfect, it's the most perfect thing ever. No, I'm usually going to have something that is, I'm going to take this blem block when I'm repairing, even though I think it's ultimately going to make this better. And we might actually end up doing that to all blocks. So a lot of times that's what my stuff will be. I keep the damaged stuff. I'll keep the things that, so I provide the customer with a perfect, really nice looking piece, really cosmetically perfect, and as best as possible that I can. And here you can see this is definitely going to be a blend block. I would have a problem probably selling it, but I'm thinking I'm going to possibly make all the lifter bores this way, so it will have the availability that if you ever broke a lifter or had any kind of lifter valve train problem, you could just pull the inserts out and put a new set of lifters in it, and it, like if the lifter blew up where it got stuck in the block, you wouldn't care because you just unbolt it and pull the whole darn thing out, put a whole new set in. It'd be almost like putting a whole new block in. So I think I'm gonna put it on the intake side too, and have that be an option for the SMX program here. So anyways, I thought you guys would find that interesting. I'm going to do more of a detailed explanation, or really not more detailed, just a big overall general view of this whole thing after we get the inserts. We can machine all this. I can't make these inserts because that's CNC lathe work. I don't have one of those. So another company's making that for me. So as soon as we get that, I'll probably do a whole general public video, but I wanted to show you this thing first for all the channel members. Remember, I got cool merch if you guys are all interested. I do have some big stuff coming up. I didn't tell you about the Cletus and giving them my engine deal, but we'll have some other big stuff coming up. So anyways, take care guys. I appreciate you.